Today we're going to cook a bone broth, and for that you're going to need around 2 kilograms of lamb bones or beef bones, some sea salt, garlic and onion powder. If you don't tolerate spices, just the salt. Put all the pieces into a wire basket for the air fryer, and then put in the salt in layers and the spices as well. And cook that in the air fryer for around 15 minutes at 200 degrees. And that should brown them nicely, gives them extra flavour. Now take the cooked bones and put them into your pressure cooker. The 2 kilograms just fits inside mine. And then I filled it up almost to the top with water and then cooked it for 4 hours. So I had to put my pressure cooker on 3 times because the maximum time is 1 hour and 18. And then when I tried it, it was clearly a disaster at this point. Fortunately, my friend Melissa from Alaska is a genius in the kitchen. So I reached out for a Hail Mary. She got me to pour out 1/3 of the liquid and keep that as stock. You can see there it gelled up really nicely. And then my daughter's put in a tablespoon of vinegar and a tablespoon of butter, as well as 1 rasher of bacon. And then we cooked that for another 45 minutes. And it was looking a lot better at that point. And then what you do is take out the liquid and drain it into a pot, and then put that pot into a sink full of iced water so it cools it down quickly, and then store that in a mason jar and try not to spill it. It's a lovely golden colour, so I let that set in the fridge. Nice layer of fat on the top there. Dish out a serving and heat that up in the microwave for about a minute. Add a little bit of salt. And that is sensational.